Hello, it's Halloween time. Let's make vampire, the Dracula. First, I am coloring black on his hair, his eyebrows, and his jacket. On both sides. And his pants. And his shoes. Next one, I am using light purple, that is lavender, on his ears, his forehead and cheek, on the other side, and his chin and nose. Next one, little bit darker purple on his eyelids, and his tongue is red, and inside of his mouth is gray, and his tops. After that, I'm using black again to color his buttons with black. Now, Playdoh time. I'm using purple and white to make lavender color. Let's add a little bit more red. Make an oval shape on both ears, a little bit pointy on the tip. And next one is V shape on his chin. I am using white and black mixed to make gray. Gray is for his mouth. And using the lavender color again, tap to make his face, and now his tongue and his teeth, the pointy teeth with white. Now make diamond for his nose and googly eye. Maybe let's make it bigger. Looking up or looking down? Maybe looking down. And using lavender to make his eyelid, right side and left side. Now tiny noodle for his lower eyelid. It's called eye bag. Next one is using the black for his hair. Upside down U shape, and in the center, little bit of tip, pointy one. Next, I'm making thin noodles for his eyebrows. Make it pointy, going up and down. Alright, the other side, up and down. Now, I am making his jacket. This is for his color. And let's do upside down triangle for his outfit. Straight with the stick on the other side too. Now I'm using black for his legs. his shoes. Let's use white button this time. 1, 2, 3. Let's make Santa line. And his jacket again with black. Looks like a cape. On the other side, tap tap tap, and make it straight. And this is a vampire, the Count Dracula. Also, the coloring book is available on Amazon store. Please check the link on the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Good job.